So in my last video, I was talking to you about two paintings I was working on, bringing in some texture and what I was considering. And I wanted you to see how easy it is to elevate our art to an entirely new level, making it not just a visual thing to look at, but an experience to actually be able to touch the texture in our art. So I showed two paintings. Let me show you. This one here, it was just, now you can see I added something on top. The last time you saw it was just this sand that I put on top of the canvas that has a painting underneath. So I want you to see, like, you got old canvases you don't know what to do with. This is great to bring them to life again and make them a completely new experience. So I just went in and I added some free-flowing paint and a couple other things too that I'll share in the workshop. But look at the difference. And I know that you can do something like this and completely change the vibe of an old canvas. The other one I was working on was this one, and I had mentioned it was calling to me to add some of this red desert sand here. So that's what I did, because really, like, I couldn't ruin it. So I just went in and I layered in some desert sand, and in person here, when I look at it, it just really elevates the luxuriousness and the uniqueness of this piece. And I love it. So I want you to see, like, what is possible if you come and join us in this Intro to Textures workshop. It's perfect if you don't have any experience, or you're just, kind of new, or even if you've been at this for a while but feel your art has gotten stale and you need to inject some new life to it. That's what this is about. We're gonna play for 5 days with different textures. If you can't make it live, just write in the questions. I'll answer them the next day. Everything will be talked about, and anything that you have questions about will be talked about. Come join us. This is a once a year experience that's going to give you so many ideas to go on. You're going to have months worth of art to create. And I'm so excited to see where it's going to take you in your art journey.